If you're just starting up your private practice, it might catch you by surprise that there are a lot of things that need to happen behind the scenes that you might not be used to. And let's get it real. You did not go to school for business and how to run a business. They didn't teach you how to do taxes. They didn't teach you how to do bookkeeping. So this might be completely new for you. As a tax accountant, I work with therapists, and my job is to help you guys feel comfortable about your business finances, specifically with your bookkeeping and your taxes. During this video, what I would like to go over is 3 things that you should know and you should be doing for your private practice to stay financially healthy. This is a really common one, so don't feel bad if you are doing this. But one of the things that we want to make sure is that you initially start by setting up a separate business account and a separate personal. I recommend doing this as soon as possible. Not only your bank accounts, but your credit cards. You want to make sure everything is completely separate. Now, what's going to happen is that you are going to get paid by the insurance companies, or if you take private pay, then you're going to get paid to your business bank account, and then you are going to move money over to your personal when it's time to pay yourself. This is very common, especially when therapists are just starting out, that they're kind of in limbo and they're getting everything set up, which is perfectly fine. You do want to track things separately, but you do not want to do that forever. You want to make sure as soon as you're able to get a business account, you're going to do that, and a credit card. Don't mix those. Mixing those is going to make it very difficult during tax season, because going back through all your expenses and your income is going to be muddled with all of your personal things. Not to mention that if you have a limited liability companies or an LLC or a PLLC, then that could jeopardize that status as well if you're mixing both. A lot of bookkeeping professionals are going to tell you to use QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks is a really great option. I recommend it to all my clients and anybody that I speak with. I think it's a really great option once you get things going. Now, of course, there is a price to pay for QuickBooks, and if you're just getting started, it might not be ideal for you to take on that expense right away. Even if you do not sign up for a QuickBooks account, you want to make sure you're at least doing a bookkeeping spreadsheet. Bookkeeping spreadsheets do work, and they are going to work for you for some time until you start getting bigger. And let's say you want to go into group practice, then that's going to be something that you're going to need in place. If you elect to become an S corporation, which is very common for therapists, then QuickBooks is going to be the option. The IRS has much stricter bookkeeping requirements than when you're a sole proprietor, which I could get into in a whole other video. Finally, in order to stay financially healthy, please get a tax professional. Get some type of professional guidance. You don't have to hire a bookkeeper as an ongoing service, and you don't have to rely on a tax professional to do your taxes if you're just getting started and you don't have a complex tax situation. However, I do recommend getting some type of guidance. You want to be able to ask questions and make sure that you're doing everything correctly, even if it's having a professional come and double check your work and give you guidance and instruction if you aren't doing things the way that they would ideally be done. We're here to help, and we're here to make this part of your business as streamlined and as easy as possible, so you don't have to stress about it and you could spend more time with your clients and growing your practice. Okay, make sure to head over to my description. There are a lot of resources there. There are some free ones as well. So make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. I will talk to you next time.